Welcome to our demo about the current status of the new agrirouter implementation. Let's start with the login. Here you can see the new login screen. The new agrirouter offers a password-free login. That means that the farmer only has to enter the email address he uses. The system sends the login code to the given email address in the background. The login code must be entered into the following fields. Therefore, I copy the code, enter it into the field, and press the Sign In button. Now we can see the farmer main page. All software systems that the farmer has selected are displayed on the right-hand side. In my case, the IO tool, the SDF telemetry platform, and Xfarm as farm management systems are activated. Over this Add Software button, I'm able to add other certified software systems. On the left-hand side, the connected machines or implements are displayed. These can be communication unit with a direct connection or virtual communication unit, so-called VCU, with the indirect direction. In this case, the endpoints are automatically created by telemetry platforms, such as SDF in my case. You can see here one tractor. To add a communication unit with a direct connection, the user must press the Add Connection button. We will do that to integrate the CCI terminal on my desk. The user only has to enter the displayed code as registration code in the CCI terminal. I changed the view on the terminal side to show what happens after I entered this code. We have received a feedback on the terminal side that the registration process has been successfully completed. Back to the new agrirouter UI, we can see the new CCI terminal on the main page from the farmer. That's all for the onboarding of a new terminal in the new agrirouter environment. That's very easy with only few clicks. The farmer can exchange work orders with this CCI terminal from his farm management system without any additional interaction. In my case, I use Xfarm as farm management system. That's why I'm switching to the Xfarm platform. Log in. In Xfarm, I have prepared an activity to apply fertilizer to a field with the following prescription map. Therefore, I go to Plan, select the Prepare Task. Over Fields, I have the possibility to view the planned prescription map. That is the card. The prescription map I will send to the terminal. Over the Send to Machine button, I have the possibility to select the recipient, select the provider agrirouter, select the CCI terminal, press Send. That's all. I changed the view to the terminal side to work with the work order on the CCI terminal. On the terminal, I got a lot of feedback that the work order has been received. The farmer can now start the received task. Press OK. Select the received task. Wait a second. Task has imported. Okay, then I'm able to select the field. In my case, Ho Fleming. Yes, see the prescription map and start the task. And here we can see the prescription map on the terminal side. Back on the agrirouter UI, the user has the possibility to get an overview about the status of the data exchange for each endpoint. Therefore, I simply click on the info icon from my CCI terminal. The details of the endpoints are displayed on the right-hand side. You can see here the type, the connected SINs, the software provider, endpoint software mounted on. On the left-hand side, the farmer can find information about the capabilities of the endpoint. All supported message types are listed here. The following block gives a small overview of what the endpoint has sent. The last 5 messages will be listed here, including information about the message type, the recipient list, the count of chunks the message was splitted, and the size of the message. The same for the messages that the endpoint confirmed. In general, over this page, the user is able to check whether everything is working well. If they have any question, they can send important ID to the support agent with only one click. Press on copy, then all these informations are copied. Back to the main overview page. Finally, some functions for convenience or good usability. For a good overview, the connected machines or implements, the user can group over several manufacturers, as shown here, for example, for the Deutz tractor. Let us add the manufacturer Rauch for my fertilizer spreader, to which the CCI terminal belongs. Therefore, I have to add on Add Manufacturer button, select the manufacturer Rauch, type his name, select it, press save. Okay, now the manufacturer is added. Then call up to the editing page from the CCI terminal to press on this editing icon. Here, the farmer has the possibility to rename the CCI. For example, I use CCL 1200, and then I select the manufacturer who the CCI terminal is mounted on, select Rauch, press save, and that's it. Finally, a few words about the new endpoint route visualization. To display existing routes, the farmer can click on the Add Routes icon. All routes for this endpoint are then displayed. In my case, the agrirouter has created a route to each software systems by default. When I move over a route, I get information whether the data exchange is bidirectional or not, indicated by the arrows at the ends of the selected routes. The farmer can add a new route by using the plus button. All endpoints that can exchange with this endpoint are highlighted. In my case, it's my Deutz tractor. For each capability, the user can select whether the endpoint can send or receive messages. In my case, I want my Deutz tractor to receive ISO XML data from my CCI terminal. So only select the Receive button. Press Save. Afterwards, the user can see now the new route between the CCI and my Deutz tractor. That's it from my demo. Thank you for your attention. Bye.